Today I am going to start a new portion of your new syllabus that has been mentioned by the CBSE board. So those the revised syllabus that has been given from that particular section. Today I am going to teach you the list. Now what is a list? List I have taught you earlier also, little bit idea I have given you earlier in the videos. So list in the Python can be created to put an element into a bracket. That means this pattern of bracket should be there. Third bracket, what we say, the elements in the list are separated by what? Comma. So this is one list. See here 34, 56, 21 to 32 number list. This is a list where I have used a different type of alphabets. This is the list where I have used the different patterns of number, that means decimal number as well as an integer number. Now this is the list. What is an empty list? Okay, now we can create the list in a different ways. That means we can create a number of sequence of numbers or a strings, whatever we want. So let us do string. As I have said, its string implementation is much more. Though of all, let us start it with this particular thing from here. That means today I will show you the interactive mode of using the list. Okay, suppose here I have written A equals to, open the double inverted comma, Python. Now close the double inverted comma. Okay, now I am mentioning here, suppose L1 equals to list, list. Now how to give? I am calling that one. So when I am calling anything, that should be given within a first bracket. So I am calling here A. Okay, A is been called here. Now as I give enter, fine. Now I am writing here A. Have you seen it? So this is what it is. It is typing. Now if I called, suppose L1. Now see what the difference it is giving to you. So in the first case, when I am calling it, that means I have given a string here. This is a variable which store one particular string, and this string has been printed as I called the A. Okay, but when I have called it as a list, that means when I have called it as an L1, what it will going to do? You see it, this particular thing printed each of the character in a separate way. That means each of the character is been separated. Okay, each of the characters are been separated in a different way. Now let us show you another one, that another one I am taking. Suppose B equals to informatics, informatics practice, practices, informatics practice. Now I have done it. Now I give enter. Suppose here I am writing L2, because L1 I have already taken, so I am taking here L2 equals to what? List. Then I open the bracket and I am writing what? B, because where I have stored the values? In B. So I have done it. Now if I call B and I give enter, see it print informatic practice. Now if I call you L2 and I give enter, you see informatics practice. So this is how the list is built, the first way of presentability of your list. So what I have done, first I have taken one variable. My variable name is A. In the second case, my variable name is B. Now I have taken in that variable some combinations of the alphabets. Like first I have written here Python, next one I have written here informatics practice. Now as I have taken them, what I have done, I stored it in a list. L1 equals to list A,